Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. So viewers, today we'll see new stylish street style fashion dresses designs. Today you will see new all modern different dresses designs in 2023. So today viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. New modern different dresses designs office wear dresses designs in 2023. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So TV boys, I always try to bring new stylish modern dresses designs. So viewers, today you will see new stylish check print shirts with plain jeans with matching handbags dresses designs.